this video, you will learn how to configure the various settings in your Onfleet dashboard. It's important to note that only admin users can view and edit these settings. We recommend that all users review these settings before launching their delivery operations with Onfleet. To begin, we will head to the settings by selecting the gear icon. The first tab we see is the Organization tab. From here, you can upload an organization logo, configure general organizational settings, add a map overlay, and enable SSO, if applicable to your plan type. From your user settings, you can change your password and enable accessibility options. The Teams tab will allow you to group your drivers, dispatchers, and a hub location into what Onfleet refers to as a team. Each team should have a hub location associated with it. A hub is a central location where your drivers may start or end their route. Next, let's invite some users to our dashboard. The highest level of permissions you can grant is admin access. If you set a user up as an admin, they will be able to edit master settings and have full routing capabilities. Dispatcher users have slightly more restricted permissions. They will not be able to edit the master settings, but they do have access to add and edit drivers. These users also have full routing capabilities. The most restricted user type is a read-only dispatcher. These users will not be able to edit or change any information within the dashboard, only view. If you have dispatchers without access to all of your teams, the Disable Global Unassigned option should be enabled. This will restrict your dispatchers from unassigning tasks from the established team. Drivers should be added to Onfleet by entering their phone number, which is also their unique identifier. Once entered, your driver will receive a text message inviting them to download the Onfleet driver app, which is how your drivers will execute their routes. You will also be required to select a transportation type and assign the driver to at least one team. Now that we've invited drivers, we will want to configure our global driver app settings. These settings allow you to control certain driver behaviors from the app. From this tab, you can also enable proof of delivery requirements upon pickup or drop-off. If your plan type gives you access to task completion reasons, you can also customize success and failure reasons for your driver to select from upon task completion. Another key feature of Onfleet is the automated SMS notifications that can be sent to your customers. These notifications can be configured based on various triggers throughout the task lifecycle. Within these notifications, you can also include customizable tags, along with a link to the tracking page. The Connections feature allows you to connect to another Onfleet organization or to create a sub-organization to delegate tasks to. There's also a third connection type called a client connection. If you are a courier organization, you may use the client connection to invite your clients to the Onfleet client portal. From the client portal, they can create tasks through the API, CSV import, or manually to be sent directly to your Onfleet dashboard. As mentioned previously, you can insert a tracking link into your automated SMS notifications that are sent to your customers. This tracking page can be customized to your liking and also allows you to collect feedback from your customers upon completion of a pickup or delivery. The Plans and Billing tab is only accessible to the account owner. Other admins will not be able to access this tab. From the Reports tab, you can enable a daily or weekly rundown of your operations that gets sent directly to your email. You have the ability in Onfleet to create a custom field on each of your tasks. In this custom field, you can attach any additional information and also require this information in order for a task to be created. The API and Webhooks tab allows you to generate an API key. This key can be used to connect Onfleet to other systems that your organization may be using. From this tab, you can also configure your different webhooks. The add-ons section contains advanced features as well as many of our beta features. If your plan type allows, you can enable these features from this tab at any time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out the Onfleet Support Center for additional videos and articles, or email the support team at support@onfleet.com with any additional questions.